Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by going straight into sound controls. Unlock the device and open settings. That gets you where system toggles live. Once in settings, tap sound or sound and vibration to reveal keyboard and system sound options. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off so you see all toggles. Some devices hide options during D&D. This step locates the exact menu you need and prevents you from toggling the wrong switch, so you can remove the keyboard click noise confidently and quickly. Now access Virtual Keyboard to reach the keyboard app settings. Tap your active keyboard, Gboard, Samsung keyboard, or another, and open Preferences or Sound Settings. You'll see Sound on keypress or keypress vibration. Toggle sound off. If the option is missing, check Advanced Settings within the keyboard app or the main sound menu for system sounds and disable keyboard clicks there. Make sure to test by opening an app and typing. You'll hear silence when the change takes effect. Finish by testing in a messaging app to confirm keys are silent. If you still hear clicks, force stop the keyboard app or restart the phone. That refreshes settings. Make sure any accessibility or third-party sound apps aren't re-enabling tones. As a last resort, clear the keyboard app cache or reinstall it to reset options. If problems continue, check for system updates because manufacturers sometimes move these toggles. You'll want to keep software current to avoid unexpected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.